Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of agricultural machinery. In today's video, we'll be diving into the realm of combine harvesters, specifically the largest ones in the world. These mighty machines are essential for efficient and productive harvesting. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's take a moment to acknowledge the key players in the industry: New Holland, Case IH, John Deere, Fendt, Massey Ferguson, and Claas. These renowned manufacturers are well known for their exceptional agricultural machinery. However, today, we'll shed light on some lesser-known brands that have made their mark in specific regions. First up, we have the Sampo-Rosenlew Komiya C24 2RODO. Manufactured in Finland, this behemoth combines cutting-edge technology with impressive specifications. Equipped with a 6.9-meter cutting header and a substantial 10,000-liter grain tank, the Komiya C24 2RODO is a force to be reckoned with. Its 6-cylinder, 300 horsepower AGCO-powered EIR5 engine ensures exceptional performance. What sets the Komiya C24 2RODO apart is its hybrid threshing system, combining a threshing drum with two rotors. This unique configuration, similar to some Claas models, optimizes the harvesting process. With a remarkable unloading speed of 100 liters per second and a straw chopper spinning at 3,800 RPM, this machine excels in efficiency. The Komiya C24 2RODO's front tires measure 800/65R32, while the rear tires are 500/70R24, providing stability in the field. Next on our list is the DEUTZ-FAHR C9360S, a powerhouse from Germany. DEUTZ-FAHR is known for its commitment to quality, and this combine exemplifies their dedication. Featuring a wide 7.2-meter cutting header and a generous 10,500-liter grain tank, the C9360S ensures uninterrupted harvesting. Its Mercedes-Benz M936 7.7-liter engine, boasting 381 horsepower, guarantees impressive performance. Unlike some other combines, the C9360S utilizes a non-rotary threshing system. This model is available with either wheels or tracks, depending on the farmer's requirements. With a speedy unloading rate of 120 liters per second, this machine reduces downtime and keeps the harvest flowing. The C9360S boasts VR 650/75R32 front tires and HR 405/70R20 rear tires, ensuring excellent traction in various field conditions. Our journey into the world of largest combine harvesters continues with the Rostselmash Torum 785. This Russian-made machine is a true powerhouse in the field. With its drum threshing technology and a crop type specifically designed for grain, the Torum 785 showcases Rostselmash's commitment to delivering high-performance combines. Powered by a 520 horsepower inline 6-cylinder Cummins engine, this machine ensures efficient harvesting operations. The Torum 785 boasts a grain capacity of 12,300 liters, 3,249.32 gallons, and a cutting width of 7 to 9 meters, 20 to 11. It combines robust power with precise harvesting capabilities, making it a reliable choice for farmers. With an unladen weight of 17 tons 3,747 pounds, the Torum 785 handles the demands of large-scale harvesting with ease. Its advanced features and impressive capacity contribute to optimal productivity in the field. Now, let's move on to the AGCO Gleaner S98, an American-made combine harvester that showcases exceptional power and performance. Equipped with a robust AGCO Power trademark 9.8 liters twin-turbo, 7-cylinder engine, the Gleaner S98 delivers remarkable horsepower. With a maximum boost of 471 horsepower, this machine ensures efficient and productive harvesting operations. The Gleaner S98 stands out with its impressive grain bin capacity of 390 bushels, 13,743 liters. Its 4-speed electronically shifted transmission with proportional hydrostatic control provides smooth operation and precise control in the field. Designed by AGCO, this combine harvester delivers exceptional performance and efficiency, making it a reliable choice for farmers looking to optimize their harvesting processes. Next on our list is the Colossal 8900, a combine harvester that has left a lasting impact on the industry. As a market leader in Germany, Colossal has established itself as a pioneer in agricultural machinery, and the Lexion series is a testament to their innovation. The Lexion 8900 features a powerful 16.2-liter MAN 6-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 790 horsepower. With a grain bin capacity of 15,000 liters, 3,963 gallons, this combine ensures uninterrupted harvesting operations. What sets the Lexion 8900 apart is its hybrid technology, combining a large threshing drum with 2 separator rotors. This configuration optimizes threshing and separation, resulting in high efficiency and excellent grain quality. Finally, we've reached the pinnacle of our list, the Tribine T1000. This unique and innovative combine harvester truly pushes the boundaries of conventional design. The Tribine T1000, developed by the American manufacturer Tribine, stands out with its revolutionary features. This extraordinary machine redefines the concept of combine harvesting. One of the most striking aspects of the Tribine T1000 is its articulated joint and rear steering wheels, which provide unparalleled maneuverability in the field. Additionally, it is equipped with not just one, but 2 Cummins engines, one in the front and another in the rear, delivering a combined power of 650 horsepower. With a massive grain hopper capacity of 35,200 liters, 9,298 gallons, and an unmatched unloading speed of nearly 300 liters, 79 gallons per second, the Tribine T1000 is designed for ultimate productivity. Its ability to efficiently harvest crops while minimizing downtime is truly impressive. In conclusion, each farmer knows that grain quality depends on the harvesting conditions and the combine harvester used. The machines we've explored today, such as the Tribine T1000 and the Colossal 8900, are designed with efficient threshing and cleaning systems, spacious separating areas, large grain bins, and high unload rates. These features contribute to excellent grain quality and make them excellent choices for large-scale harvesting operations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the largest combine harvesters in the world. We hope you found this exploration fascinating and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy harvesting!